make sure my contents are insured properly for my business. Hey, this is Mendy with My Insurance Claim Expert, and this video goes out with a special shout out to all of my friends in my previous industry of e-commerce. So a common thing is, what happens if my inventory is damaged, whether while it's coming from China, whether it's being transitioned between my warehouse and the carrier and Amazon's warehouse or any other warehouses, or simply put, if it's damaged while in my own warehouse. So I'd like you to get familiar with something called a marine policy. A marine policy is essentially a policy designed to cover contents during transit, and with riders, with the proper policy, it will also cover this in your specific warehouses, etc. So it's important to make sure you read that marine policy. You want to make sure it's covering at all points of transit. That means once it enters your possession, if you're taking that possession of it in China and arranging transport, if they ship, something happens, the ship loses containers at sea, etc. If pirates attack that ship, if there's a fire, if that inventory reaches your warehouse in Miami and then you have a fire in your warehouse in Miami, if it's in Amazon warehouses, okay, or other third-party warehouses, etc., you want to make sure this policy covers it. Now, when it's your own warehouses, the policy will typically require that you name that specific policy warehouse location. They're going to want to check certain things about that warehouse to make sure that they're comfortable insuring that warehouse. So it's important that you take the time, review the policy, ensure it's properly covering you. Of course, if you'd like that policy reviewed, reach out to us, questions@pantherpa.com. We are happy to review that policy for you to make sure you are covered. Hope this information has been useful. As always, please share, like, tell your friends about us, comment, and have a great day.